Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Find all possible integers m for which 2 raised to the 4th power plus 2 raised to 7th power plus 2 raised to m is a perfect square. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. We have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now, let's answer this question together. Now, the question is, find all possible integers m for which 2 raised to the 4th power plus 2 raised to 7th power plus 2 raised to m is a perfect square. Now, what we're going to do is to let this expression be equal to 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y raised to 2. Now, the question is why we choose this expression 2x plus 2y. The reason is if we square 2x plus 2y, we get 3 terms, and since the left-hand side is also 3 terms, therefore we will have a comparison. Now, also take note that here x and y are also integers. Now, let's square 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y. To do that, we will use some identities. If we have a plus b quantity squared, it is equivalent to a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. Therefore, the right-hand side of our equation becomes 2 raised to x raised to 2 plus 2 times 2 raised to x times 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to y quantity squared. Next, we will apply some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to m raised to the power of m, it is equivalent to b raised to n times m. Therefore, this 2 raised to x raised to 2 can be written as 2 raised to 2x, and this 2 raised to y squared can be written as 2 raised to 2y. Also, another law of exponent says that if we have b raised to n times b raised to m, we have the same base, it is equivalent to b raised to n plus m. Now notice that we have 2 here and the exponent of 2 is just 1. So we can apply now this property. So the middle term is equivalent to 2 raised to 1 plus x plus y. Now we have 3 terms on the right hand side and we have 3 terms on the left hand side. And we know that m is an integer, x and y are both integers. So let's compare these 2 terms, 2 raised to the 4th power and 2 raised to 2x. Here, we can say that 2x equals 4. Now, divide both sides by 2 and we get that x must be equal to 2. Now, since we know that x equals to 2, then let's compare the middle term and the middle term of our expansion. So we have 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 1 plus x plus y. Therefore, we can say that 1 plus x plus y equals 7. Now, at this point, we know that x equals 2. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. Now, subtract 3 on both sides. This will give us the value of y must be 4. And for the last time, let's compare the last terms of our expression. So, we have 2 raised to m, and on the right-hand side, we have 2 raised to 2y. Therefore, we can say that m equals 2y. Now, we know that the value of y is just 4. So, we have m equals 2 times 4. And 2 times 4 will give us 8. Therefore, we can say, to make the expression 2 raised to the 4th power plus 2 raised to 7th power plus 2 raised to m a perfect square, m must be 8. Now, to double check our answer, let's replace m with 8. And then, let's evaluate. 2 raised to the 4th power is just 16. 2 raised to 7th power is 128. 2 raised to 8 is 256. Now, 16 plus 128 plus 256 will give us exactly 400. And 400, we know, it is equivalent to 20 squared or 20 raised to 2. Therefore, 400 is a perfect square. Therefore, the value of m which will make this expression a perfect square must be 8. And as always, we are done.